I'm going to be sharing with you this gorgeous Twistout, this amazing wash day that has just gone phenomenal. So today I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing Twistout that I achieved on this week's wash day, and I am just super excited because I did not even plan to do a Twistout for you guys. I was just feeling the twist, and then I was like, you know what, let's see how this curls will look, let's see if it will pop. And I'm super excited because this looks amazing. So yeah, let's get to it, and I hope you guys enjoy this wash day. In today's wash day, I am using Devacurl Super Curly Care Kit. These are the products that are inside. I've actually used Devacurl before and I didn't like it at all, so I decided to give it a try again. And so in this kit we have a detangler, we have a cleanser and a conditioner, we have a leave-in, and then we have a styling cream. And I'm also going to be using their microfiber towel. So we have this scalp scratcher here that I'm trying for the first time, and it was amazing. Like, oh my gosh, life changing. And so I have this updo that I did in my last hair video, if you check it out. So I'm just taking this out and just really prepping my hair for the wash day. So as you can see, it's really matted and it's due for a wash. So here I am rinsing my hair. I really love to drench it in warm water to soak up all that moisture and to help it get ready and flexible for the wash day. This is just the first step. I really take my time to do that. So I'm starting off with the detangler, and oh my gosh, I actually liked it. At first it felt weird, but by the time the product sat in my hair for a few seconds, minutes, it was just really amazing. And guys, I'm really heavy-handed with my products. You guys know that already because, you know, you gotta treat your hair. And I actually finished this entire bottle of detangler, so I need more. But I actually really loved it, and I made sure to work it throughout my hair. As you can see, guys, I wash my hair in one huge section. I don't even section it into smaller sections. I just wash in one direction, making sure to finger comb and also controlling how I wash so I don't cause tangles as well. So I'm just making sure the product is throughout my hair. I'm really detangling with my fingers. That's how much hair I lost. And then I am using this cleanser. You can follow the detangler with the cleanser immediately. You don't have to rinse out the detangler, which is awesome. And so I am using a good amount of cleanser. You guys know that already. And as you can see, I just make sure to run the product through my hair in one direction, and I also make sure to get my scalp, because you need to treat your scalp well as well. But you guys can see, like, this saves my time when I'm washing my hair by just washing it in one huge section. And so I just wash in one direction and then I rinse out with some warm water. I really love using warm water throughout the process. It's when I'm like deep conditioning, then I will use like a cool water to just seal in all that moisture. But here I'm just making sure to rinse out the cleanser as good as possible, and then I'm gonna move on to the conditioner. And I also loved this product. I love the detangler, I love the cleanser, and then I loved the conditioner. I just really loved the texture, and it made my hair feel great. And surprisingly enough, I used these products before, some of these products, and my hair hated it. So I'm just questioning my entire life right now, like, why? But here my hair was really enjoying this product, and I just really loved working it through my hair. I'm really taking the time to do it. I'm also rinsing out with some warm water as well, and I really try to have my wash days in ways that will just make me happy about my hair and not upset. And so I have a lot of fun in the shower, and so now that I'm done rinsing all of that out, my hair just feels amazing, clean, soft, moisturized. I love it. So now I am sectioning my hair because I actually want to do twists. So I love sectioning it in the shower when my hair is still very much wet. And so I just really wanted to show you guys how I actually section it off. And so I just use my hands to create the sections. I twist it in this way, and then I use like a butterfly clip to clip it down. And so just the way I like to do my sections depends on the style I'm trying to achieve. and the way I section it also helps with the whole styling process, so I don't feel like it's stressful. And so I actually created a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections, and I'm just really taking you through how it would look, because I know, we all need help in ways to style our hair. So this is just how I would section it off in the shower when my hair is still wet, and then I would be done, and then I can move on to popping on a towel. So I am using the microfiber towel, which is also great in reducing frizz as well as helping your hair dry quickly. As you can see, the towel is quite small, which I thought was like crazy, because it's like, what are you doing? So I actually used another towel as well to help take out all of that excess water and help speed up the drying process. I'm having fun, guys, so this is me just singing along to a song and dancing, obviously. But I've done my hair so far, and I was just really loving how it looked, how it felt. So it was really soft, moisturized. I was really surprised that Devacurl worked for my hair after trying it out the first time, and it didn't. So to style my hair, I'm using a good amount of leave-in, making sure to work it into that section. And actually in each section, I tried to create 3 twists. So in this section, I'll be creating 3 different twists, and it was just a good size to create the twist that I want. I'm also creating a side pattern as well, so that's why my hair is in this direction. So I'm making sure to work in the leave-in as much as possible, because that will help with the styling process and with softer hair. And so I'm really using a good amount, and also making sure to focus on my tips, because your tips need that help. And so now I'm sectioning into 3, and then I'm going to start creating the twist. So I would use the leave-in on the huge section, and then when I break it down into smaller sections, I would then go in with the styling cream. You can actually use less. I found that less was still as effective as the amount I just used in this section, but I just wanted to use a lot more for this section. So I actually did like a weird twist here. It was kind of like a 3-strand twist, just because I didn't want a middle part in the twist if you divide it into 2. So I just divided it into 3, and then found a way to make it into a 2-strand twist later on. I hope that's not confusing, but that's just why it looked like I was trying to create a braid. So then I twist it all the way, and then I finger curl the ends. As you can see, a little amount really does the job. And actually I used a white tooth comb to detangle the section as well, and then I would twist it and finger curl it as well. I actually really loved the way the products felt on my hair. My hair at first felt weird with it, but then seconds after having it on, it was just really soft and nice and moisturized, and everything was just going so well. I was really so amazed by these products, because I had used some of their products before, and let me tell you, my hair was cringing. My hair just hated it. So when I decided to try Devacurl again, I was really taking a risk for you guys, and this time I filmed it, because in the other one I actually didn't. So in this section, I actually created 5, because I wanted it to be a bit more defined when styling. And so that's why I have 5 sections there, and I was just showing you how that would look. But generally, everything was a total of 20 twists as well. And I just really loved how the twists looked and felt. It was really lightweight and just like bouncy, and like, see it, amazing. So this is how it looks. I just love doing rough sections, because then it helps with the blending process. And I'm just giving you an up close look at my twist right now. Juicy. So this is the next day. I let my hair dry overnight, and then I used an oil on my hand to help the process of unraveling the twist to reduce frizz. And so here I am, just making sure to unravel it as neatly as I could. Sometimes I'm a bit rough when I'm unraveling the twist. I'm like very impatient, but I tried my best here. And this is just how it looks, super defined. Guys, I just loved my hair. Like, look at that, beautiful. This is on 4C natural hair, guys, so your hair can do it too. So once we've unraveled it once, we're gonna do it again to help increase the volume. And here, when I'm unraveling the second time, I do it really sparingly, so I don't want to lose the definition that I got as well. So I'm just like bouncing all around, unraveling where I can, and this is just the craziness it looks like. I'm just giving you an up close look. And then I take an afro comb and I use it to lift the base of my hair and to remove that sectioning. This is why I also love the rough sectioning you do when you don't use a comb, because then it's easier to just remove and people don't see that when you unravel your twists. And so I'm using the comb to lift the roots and add volume, and then I use my hands to kind of go over my hair and feel what needs to be unraveled a bit more, and also to create the shape that I like. This is just the definition that I stuck to, so you guys can see I didn't unravel it so much to lose a lot of definition. So I'm here just shaping my hair over and over again, and when I do twist out, I kind of like to either create like a faux cut look, a bob look, or like a huge afro. So in this one I was actually creating a faux cut look, so it looks like my hair is cut into this cute bob with curls, and that's what I was really going for. And so as you can see, I'm just really playing with the shape and positioning it to just look great. And this is just my final look, guys. I just really loved every single thing about this hairstyle, the products, the look. Like, guys, this was an amazing day.
What? Girl! Like, damn! Like, this wash, like, what? This Twistout is a poppin'. Like, everything is popping right now. I feel good. My hair looks cute. Like, oh my gosh. What? I haven't done a Twistout in forever, so I didn't even realize how good my hair is. Like, oh my gosh. What? Like, this is all me, baby. Like, love it. This is such a cute look. I haven't done a Twistout in forever, guys. Like, what? I am like obsessed right now. Like, what? I look so cute. No. I look so good. Like, what? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if you are feeling this hairstyle, because I am. Like, this looks super cute, and I'm glad I could share this with you guys. Share this video as well so other people can see this gorgeousness that is my hair. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and hit that bell button down below so you do know when I post. Check out my vlog channel as well so you can see my life, you know, in New York City, behind the scenes. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!